A Bluetooth car adapter is an important component for your car. And ensuring the best according to your needs will make your riding experience worry-free and entertaining. From charging your mobile devices to listen to your favorite song, you can have everything with just a small device. There are many products available to choose best Bluetooth car adapter, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nulaxi Wireless Car Bluetooth Adapter. Nulaxi Bluetooth adapter will be the favorite option for those who love to have techie things. It comes with a decent display screen and is loaded with many adorable features. Let's look at the details of this aesthetic car adapter. The one thing that makes this adapter unique is its comparatively bigger L screen. This Nulaxi adapter comes with 1.44 inches of an LCD to provide you with the utmost insights. On the screen, you can know the current status of various functions. Its superior compatibility with devices adds more points to the buying factor. Whether it's an MP3 player or a smartphone of Android or iOS devices, there's nothing to worry about. You'll always get obstacle-free music. Looking for different looks? The Nulaxi Bluetooth adapter is available in 6 different colors. Now, you can pick the most suitable option according to your vehicle's look. Number 2. LIHAN Bluetooth Receiver. The LIHAN manufacturer has gained a big name over these years. And the reason behind this is their reliable products. You can expect the same thing with its Bluetooth car adapter. Starting with the USB charging port of the LIHAN Bluetooth adapter. Expecting a fast charge technology with the recent Type-C port would be too much here. However, the adapter provides you with a 3.1A and 1A port for USB reading. There are no flaws in the compatibility factor. Listening to your favorite sound by plugging the smartphone will create no issues. Even if you're having the most recent iOS or Android smartphone. Here comes the best part of the LIHAN adapter, it provides you with 1 complete year of warranty. Thus, no more worries about your buying decision with LIHAN. Number 3. LIHAN Bluetooth 5.0 FM Transmitter. LIHAN Bluetooth car adapter would be a perfect pick for simple yet effective car charging and related purposes. The adapter has a simple key-looking design that easily gets connected with your card with just a push. The intriguing feature that the adapter provides you with is 2 USB ports for charging purposes. Out of these, one supports Type-C and the other one is for your regular Type-B devices. Being able to charge the modern Type-C devices with a quick charge will not make you regret your irregular charging habits. At last, the utmost protection ensures that the adapter is completely okay to go with. It effectively takes care of some of the common issues. The list includes built-in overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, intelligent temperature control, short circuit protection. Number 4. COMSOON Bluetooth 5.0 Receiver. The COMSOON Bluetooth adapter is a bit different from the rest of the others. It comes with an internal battery and requires charging to work. However, this must not be a reason to ignore this worthy pick. It provides useful features and has a simple aesthetic look as well. Starting with the feature that makes COMSOON Bluetooth adapter stands apart from its competitor, its powerful pairing. The adapter allows you to pair 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. Thus, from now, you'll not have to worry about missing any calls because of loud music. Now, you can easily connect non-Bluetooth devices for the utmost listening experience. The COMSOON Bluetooth adapter is equipped with the latest CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and DSP technologies. These advanced techs will make sure you get zero background or distortion noise during a call. Number 5. Knivo BTC450 Bluetooth Car Kit. The Knivo BTC450 boasts a stable Bluetooth connection that is reliable and simple to set up. This adapter easily plugs into your car's O port for vehicles without Bluetooth and can be charged via USB using your car's cigarette port. If you want to take calls while you're driving, the Knivo BTC450 offers hands-free calling and features crisp sound quality depending on where you place it in your car. The adhesive disc means you can find the best position for it to pick up your voice and reach the controls. However, if your O port and 12V input are not located near each other, the shorter wires could pose an issue for the ideal setup. Overall, the Knivo BTC450 is a discrete Bluetooth adapter that offers good sound quality and easily accessible controls to listen to music from your phone and make and receive calls.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.